Hey friends, if you wish to download and install Epson L130 driver on your PC, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. So just search for these drivers online, okay, and then go to the Epson website. Wait till it loads. Okay, it's still loading. Select Windows 10 here. Windows 10 and Windows 11 have the same drivers. Click on download, and then you can enter the product name, or you can go to the product here, and then you can set up the software. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.